being near the water it gives me life. It gives me energy. When I was growing up, my mother used to say she could swim before she could walk.
It was a natural for us to make the investment and bring a quality product into our home and to be able to enjoy the water at all seasons. I'm Fred, and this is my wife Lori, and we live in Northeast Ohio.
We live smack in the middle of nowhere in the country, very secluded on 100 acres. We had an outdoor pool, but it's not very usable most of the year. And we decided we would put in an indoor pool.
Where we have it upstairs is enclosed in a 20-foot by 20-foot space. I knew at some point that like a hot tub or anything in there was going to have to come out, something else was going to come in. To bring something in, we would have to take a wall out. So that immediately narrowed my choices, and I knew of Endless Pools, and I realized, hey, they build these things by bringing things in the door and building it on site, and it's perfect.
So an Endless Pool is like a nice compact pool with a resistance current in it that people can use for swimming, for multiple different therapy applications, as well as for family fun. So the current can actually provide a nice flow similar to a lazy river. We have a modular system that's completely customizable in width, length, and depth. It can be used in a year-round environment, indoors or outdoors. Our pool can be fully above ground on the surface. It can be partially in ground, which is what we have in this particular situation. And some people will choose to put it fully in ground as a backyard pool. So we can work with customers on the design aspect that they want and match the product to their design needs.
Fitness is important to us. We're both active, and we wanted to make an investment in our health, even in the dead of winter when the hours of the sun are low and you're not getting out. You feel like you want to be in an oasis of sorts.
So we have many different options that you can choose from to customize this to fit your needs and your family entertainment needs. We have more than 50% of the people adding our hydraulically powered treadmill. And we have a line of swim spas that are acrylic shelled units that have nice molded seats for hot tub use as well. And we also have a product line that goes into backyard pools or existing pools in an open environment as well.
So one of the things I loved that Endless Pools did is they sent us everything you kind of needed to make choices with. I mean, I do remember opening it and looking at everything together and seeing all the different choices for the liners and the coping and the
covers, the different
cover materials and things were all involved.
So our company works with you from start to finish. We have a customer engagement team, a product specialist team. We have a project development team as well, and helping you also, if need be, with design and build organizations. And we also have lifetime customer service.
Endless Pools did an amazing job walking us through. We felt really fortunate to have all the people that we had on the other end of the phone, at the other end of the phone.
We are finding now that the vast majority of benefits with this product is really family fun and family entertainment.
We do a lot of entertaining, so having an indoor pool and being able to see people swim and have fun more than 3 months out of the year has been a lot of fun.
It's a sharing experience with our friends and family, and it's a wonderful time where we can provide some enjoyment. It works for everybody.
I mean, people walk in and honestly, they see our Endless Pool and their jaws drop, because a lot of people haven't seen anything like that.
So I've seen the Endless Pool obviously transform a house, transform a room, but the key thing that's been the most enjoyable thing, the most amazing experience, is transforming the lives of so many people through the experience and the power of water.
If you're serious about an indoor pool with exercise capability, you can stop looking when you see endless pools.
We have never regretted our choice to get our endless pool. It's so much fun, and we've enjoyed it, but even more than us enjoying it is the fact that other people, again, enjoy it. My favorite thing to do in our endless pool is to just go there in the end of a long day and relax.
We're always in it together. It's part of our, that's sort of our policy, our personal policy, that we're there together. Whatever we're doing, it's just quality time, and the pool makes it that way.
To learn more about endless pools, their accessories, and design options, visit endlesspools.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.